Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your Heritage liquid mixer. This machine is currently set at 480 volts, 3-phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. We will now be demonstrating variable speed.
We've pressure tested the jacket and it is holding at 90 psi.